Introducing the 2019 Volvo Xc90 T8 twin-end Phev INS GT 5-door auto in stunning blue. This MPV is a true combination of luxury and technology, perfect for any family adventure. With a 2-litre engine size and petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type, this vehicle offers both efficiency and power. Packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. The stylish exterior includes roof rails and a chrome package, while the interior boasts leather trim and third-row seats for maximum comfort. This Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie to schedule a test drive today.